Before starting this topic, let me ask you two questions. Do you remember the most important events in your life till now? Second, what is your aim in life? Let us see how setting our goals helps us. Setting your goals help you to channelize your efforts properly and live a successful and happy life. Now here you have to make a list of your short-term and long-term goals. For example, you can see here there are two columns. In first column you have to write about your short-term goals, and in second column you have to write about your long-term goals. What are short-term goals? Goals that can be accomplished in near future. Means you can accomplish this goal very soon. Next is long-term goals. Long-term goals means goals that are more far-reaching and take longer to achieve. Means it will take longer time to achieve. For example, to achieve your short-term goal, to come first in race this year. This is our short-term goal. Long-term goal will be to become a doctor. Now, like this, you have to make a list of your short-term goals and your long-term goals. You will do this work in your copy. The New Year Eve symbolizes the commencement of another year. A timeline represents the important dates, events or incidents in a person's life distributed over a year or many years. In next slide, a timeline of a cricketer's life is given. The numbers represent the years. The phrases written above and below the timeline tells us about events, people and things that were important to this cricketer at different times of his life. Now here you can see the timeline of the cricketer. In 2005 he was born in Mumbai. In 2006 his sister Nishtha was born. In 2007 he became a proud owner of the first tricycle. In 2008 he received the first A grade. In 2009 he broke his leg. In 2010 first aeroplane ride. In 2011 he met his best friend. In 2012 he made first 50 runs. In 2013 he got his first award, and in 2014 he had his first fight. So in this way you also have to make your timeline. Setting your goals helps you to channelize your efforts properly and live a successful and happy life. The New Year Eve symbolizes the commencement of a new year. A timeline represents the most important dates, events or incidents in person's life distributed over a year or many years. Now, based on our today's topic, here is a short assignment for you. You have to create your own timeline as shown on the previous slides. Use the following guidelines. On the right hand side of the timeline, write the current year. Go backward in time, filling the years. The year you were born becomes the first from the left hand side of the timeline. Write phrases above and below the timeline that indicate most important events in your life. You have to just make a timeline. No need to add any pictures. You can simply have in writing. First, you have to write your birth date till this year. This year means 2020. Whatever the important incidents which took place from your birth till now, you have to write according to the year the phrases. Second work is use the timeline to create the story of your life. Now after making that timeline, what you have to do is you have to write a small paragraph on the story of my life. I was born on so and so date, then this year, whatever has happened, you will be writing till now, and at the end you will write your name. So this is your work for today. Enjoy your day. Thank you.